I was just 20, young, hungry for success, and obsessed with one thing: money. Not for luxury, not for status, just to prove to the world that I could do it. I saw people on Instagram, driving supercars, flashing stacks of cash, traveling the world, and I thought to myself, if they can do it, why can't I? One day an ad popped up: earn $1,000 in 7 days. No skills needed, no experience, just invest a small amount. It felt like the perfect opportunity. So I clicked, signed up, transferred $150, everything I had saved from months of part-time work. I was excited, dreaming about what I'd do with the money. The next morning, I opened the app, and it was gone. The number switched off, the support chat disabled. That moment, I felt something snap inside me. I had been scammed. I sat there, staring at my screen, silent, still, ashamed, embarrassed, broken. My friends asked what I was working on. I lied. I smiled and said, "It's going great." But inside I was drowning. I didn't lose just money. I lost trust, confidence, peace. For weeks I couldn't focus. The thought kept eating me alive. How could I be so stupid? Was I that desperate? And the answer was yes. I was desperate, desperate to escape, desperate to win, fast. But one night, while scrolling through YouTube, I found a video. A man said something I'll never forget. There's no shortcut worth taking if it cost you your self-worth. That hit hard, and from that day, I changed my path. No more schemes, no more easy money traps. I started learning, design, marketing, freelancing, investing small, earning slow. At first, it was painful. No fast results, no dopamine rush. But you know what? Every dollar I earn now, I earn with pride, and every night, I sleep in peace. I'm not rich yet, but I'm richer than I've ever been, because I value effort, time, and truth. The money trap, it's real, but it's not the scam. It's the mindset, the need to get rich quick. That's the real trap.